Hello everyone. See, in mathematics part 1, we are studying arithmetic progression. Now in that uh, we have solved all to find the sum of nth term to find out. And now today we are going to study applications of an AP. Now in that what problems we have to study. Now that is now practice set 3.4. Now see, in this all word problems are getting, and what happens, you get scared of the word problems. So don't get scared by saying word problems are more easy than the other. See how we can make it easy. Now see, on 1st January 2016. Now 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10. January 2016, she decided that I will do some saving this year. Okay, so on 1st January she started, so that is 10 rupees she saved. Then next day she saved 11 rupees. On second day 11 rupees and 12 rupees on third day. And if she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? We have to find out. Okay. Now, so what they have given? First day's saving is what? 10. Second day's saving is 11. And third day's saving is 12. So on. Okay. Now these are what applications of an AP we are doing. So practice set 3.4, that first example. So first example, first day how much she saved? 10 rupees. Second day 11 rupees. Third day 12 rupees. And she saved up to the December 2016. So how many days it becomes total? How many days she goes on saving? Now 2016 means a leap year. Means a leap year having how many days in a year? 366 days. A normal year is having 365 days in a year. So leap year will have one more day extra. So in the 2016, the number of days in 2016 will be how much? So January 1, 2016 to December 31, 2016 will have how many days? 366 days. So we have to find the sum of 366 days. Okay. So Sn you have to find out. Sn you have to find out. Now what is given here? First term A is given 10. Now here we can find the common difference. 10, 11, 12 means common difference. D is equal to D. How we find? T2 minus T1 means 11 minus 10, which is equal to 1. Other is what? T3 minus T2 means 12 minus 11, which is equal to 1. Therefore D is equal to what? 1. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This sum you have to find out, 366 days. So S 366 days is equal to n is how much? 366 days upon 2. Now 2 into first day how much she saves? 10 rupees. Okay. Number of days 366 minus 1 into 1. So this what? S 366 is equal to now we can divide this. Okay. Into now this bracket what? 20 plus 365. Now 365 means what? 183 into this, how much it will be? 385. Okay. Now this multiplication how much we are getting? That 180 3 into 385, that is equal to 70,455. This sum will be equal to 70,455. Okay. Now see how much she will save at the end of the year. Who is that? Sanika. Sanika will save 70,455 rupees. Okay. Or you can say like this. They have asked what would be her total saving. So total saving of Sanika will be 70,455. Therefore, total saving of Sanika will be 70,455 rupees, 70,455, like this. Okay. Now see. Now next question. Next question is question number 2. Second question. See, question number 2, what does it tells? A man borrows 8,000 rupees and agree to repay with a total interest of 1,360 in 12 monthly installment. Means how many how much he will in how many days he will repay? In 12 months he will repay the loan. So how much amount borrowed is how much? His principal is 8,000. Okay, principal amount which he brought is equal to 8,000. Okay, and interest amount is what? Interest amount is equal to 1,360. Okay, and this he is going to repay in how many months? In 12 months he will repay. So amount is equal to, we know the amount formula P plus I. So amount is equal to 8,000 plus 1,360. So it will be 9,360. So total amount how much he has to pay at the end of the 12 months? 9,360 he has to repay. Now see, each installment is being less than the preceding one by 40. Means each amount is less by 40 rupees. Means here the difference, common difference is given. Difference how much it is given? Difference is equal to minus 40 is given. Okay. And what you want to find out? Find the amount of the first and the last installment. Means you have to find here T1. His first installment is how much and its 12th installment is how much, that we have to find out. Means this is what it is given 9,360. That is sum of 12 installment. Sum of 12 installment is how much? 9,360. S 12 is given 9,620. Okay, so first what we have to find out? The first term we have to find out. So Sn formula you have to use. Sn is equal to n by 2. 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. Now here these all terms we know. N we know, Sn we know, and D we know. So we can find out the first term. Okay, Sn is 9,360 is equal to n is 12 upon 2 into 2 into A. Means we can write 2A plus 12 minus 1. Now here 12 minus 1 into minus 40. Okay, so this will be what? 12 upon 2 into 2A plus 11 fours are. Now here 12 minus 1, 11. 11 into 4 means minus 44 it will be. Okay. Now see what we can do it. Now here 9360. 9360. So 9360 into 2 upon 12 is equal to 2a minus 44. Now we can divide this by 12's table, or we can divide by this 6. Now 6 table divide. 6 ones are 6. Then 3 remain. 6 5s are 30 and 6 6s are 36. So what? 156. 156 and this we will bring here means plus 44 is equal to 2a. So how much it is? 10 and 1 means what? And this 0 remain, this 0, yes. So it will be what? Plus 44, 1000, 6 1 is 6, then 6 5 is 36, 6 is 36, 60, yes. Then this is what? 4, yes, correct, it is 4. Then it is 10 and it is 6 and 1. Okay. Then is equal to 2a. So it will be what? 1604 divided by 2, which is equal to a. So ones are 2. So his first installment is equal to what? A is equal to 802. Oh, yes. Here this one I have made mistake here while writing. See this here 11 fours are 44. 440 it is. Okay. So sorry. See 1 0 if you don't take, see like this mistake we do. Okay, by mistake while seeing I did not see this. So here we had what? 9360 is equal to what I said here into 2 upon 12 is equal to 2a plus 440 we have to take. Okay, so 12, 2 ones are and 6 are, 6 ones are, 6 5s are and 6 6s are 36. So it is 1560 plus 440 is equal to 2a. It is. So it is what? 0, 0, 0 and 2. It is 2000. 2a. Therefore, a is equal to what? 2000 divided by 2. So ones are and 1000. Okay. So a is equal to what? A is equal to 1000. Means first term is 1000. Now what we want to find out? Last term means T12 we have to find out. Okay, so T12 how we will find out? First term we got. Now T12 how we will find out? See 12th term. Okay, so T12 is equal to means Tn's formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So T12 is equal to what? A is 1000 plus n is 12. 12 minus 1, 12 minus 1 into minus 40. Okay, so 1000 plus 11 into minus 40. Now see here again we should not commit mistakes. See, so what we have to do it here? 1000 minus, it will come how much? 440. 11 fours are 44 and 0 means 440. Okay. Therefore, here T12 is equal to how much? 0. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. So it is how much? T12 is 12th installment will be how much? 560 rupees. Okay. So you have got first installment and the last installment we have got from this. Okay. Now third example we will see. Now third example, see. What third example? Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested total amount invested rupees 5,000. First year he invested 5,000. In the second year he invested 7,000 and in third year he invested 9,000 and so on. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. So sum of amount you have to find out in 12 years. Okay. Now question number 3. Third example. Sachin invested in National Savings Certificate Scheme. In the first year he invested 5,000, second year 7,000 and third year 9,000. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. Okay. So what first year? First year amount is how much? 5,000. Second year's amount is 7,000. And third year amount is 9,000. So in this way he saved. He saved for how many years? 12 years. So what you have to find out? Sum of 12 years you have to find out. Okay, sum of 12 years you have to find. And what is given? First term is given. First term is 5,000. Now difference. D is equal to what? T2 minus T1 means 7,000 minus 5,000 which is equal to 2,000. Okay. Now here also 9,000 minus 7,000 is 2,000 means D is equal to 2,000. This we have got. Now and how many years he has saved this? 12 years. Okay. So sum of 12 years you have to find out. So SN formula you have to use. SN is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now SN, S12 you have to find out. So S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2 into 5,000 plus 12 minus 1 into 2,000. Okay. So what? This will be 6 1 and 2 6. Now here it is 10,000 plus 11 into 2,000. Okay, so it will be what? 6 into this 10,000 and this 10,000 plus 11 to the 22,000. Okay, 11 to the 22,000. So this will be how much? 6 into 32,000. Okay, so 32,000 means it will be how much? Now 192. 632 is 192 and this zeros means what? 1,92,000. S12 is equal to 1,92,000 means what we can say? Therefore Sachin invested rupees 1,92,000 in 12 years. In 12 years. Okay, followed how much he invested. Now see, now fourth question we have to solve. Fourth question is what? There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. Okay, and there are 20 seats in first row, 22 seats in second row, and 24 seats in third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in 15th row and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. Means what you have to do, see here. Now here you have to find the sum of all seats in the auditorium, and here the series is given. First row 20, second row 22, and so on. Means here the first term is given, common difference is also given. Okay, so you have to find out here T15 means how many seats will be there in 15 row, that also we have to find out. Okay, so first we will find out how many seats are there in 15 row, means T15 first we will find out. Question number 4. Question number 4. There is an auditorium with 24 number of seats. Means here first row 20, second 22, and third 24. Means it is an AP. Okay, so how many these are there in the total number of rows in an auditorium? Total number of rows is 27. Okay, and what we have to find? Number of seats in 15th row. 15th row means T15 we have to find out. Okay, 27. So its sum we have to find out. S27, sum of 27 seats we have to find out how many are there. Then after that what? Now first term is given. First term is equal to what? First term is equal to 20. Difference is equal to what? T2 minus T1 means 22 minus 20, which is equal to 2. Means D is equal to 2. Now as T15, Tn's formula first we will use to find T15. T15. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T15 is equal to first term is 20 plus n is 15 minus 1 into D is 2. So T15 is equal to 20 plus 15 minus 1 14 into 2 means it will be 20 plus 28 means it is T15. Therefore T15 is equal to 48 seats. So how many total seats are there in 15th row? So number of seats in total seats in 15th row is 48. Now what we want to find out? We have to find out S27 means Sn formula you have to use. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So S27 will be what? 27 upon 2 into 2a. A is 20 plus n is 20. N is 27. 27 minus 1 into D is 2. Difference is 2. Okay. So 27 upon 2 into this is what? 40 plus 26 into 2. So 27 upon 2 into 40 plus, this is how much? 52. So this will be equal to, now here I will write, this will be equal to what? 27 upon 2, 40 plus 52 means it is what? 40 plus 52 is 92, means it will be 27 into 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12, means 46. Okay, so 27 into 46 is 1242. So S27 is equal to 1242. Okay, now this you have got the answer of this. Now next see. Now next one is what? Example number 5. Now example number 5, what does it tell? See. Now Kargil's temperature was recorded for a week. In a week it was recorded. What? Monday to Saturday. Weeks means what? Monday to Saturday's temperature. All readings were in AP. This is recorded temperature they are telling, means Monday to Saturday. From there here what they said, the sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. So Monday's and Saturday's temperature is what? Was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of the temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, Tuesday and Saturday. If the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature of other 5 days. Now it is, see, in exercise 3.3 we have seen how you have to consider the APs. In that we have seen Monday's temperature is, suppose Monday's temperature we are considered, Monday is A minus D. Tuesday's Tuesday's temperature is A. Tuesday's A. Wednesday's Tuesday's temperature is A. Wednesday's temperature is A plus D. Okay. And Thursday's temperature will be Thursday A plus 2D. Friday's it will be A plus 3D. And Saturday's it will be A plus 4D. Okay, like this it is there. Then these are the temperatures of Monday to Saturday. Now in this what they said, the sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. Monday's and Saturday's temperature sum is equal to 5 more than the sum of the Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, Monday plus Saturday is equal to what? Tuesday plus Saturday plus 5 more it is. Okay, so what? Monday and Saturday's this is what? Monday's is A minus D plus Saturday is A plus 4D. Okay, and Tuesday's is what? Tuesday's is A plus Saturday is A plus 4D plus 5. Okay, now see here what? This is what? 2A plus 3D is equal to 2A plus 4D plus 5. Now this see 2A will get cancelled. So it is what? Minus D is equal to 5. Or you can say D is equal to minus 5 also. Therefore D is equal to minus 5. What we will get from this? D is equal to minus 5. And it is given Wednesday's temperature is what? Minus 30 degree Celsius. Okay, so Wednesday's temperature is minus 30 degrees Celsius. So what in this we will put. Now what we will do it, now temperature of Wednesday is minus 30 degrees. So Wednesday is equal to, Wednesday's temperature is what? Wednesday's temperature is A plus D is equal to minus 30 degree. Okay, so A plus D is what? Minus 5 is equal to minus 30 degree. Means A will be equal to what? A will be equal to minus 30 plus 5. Therefore, A is equal to minus 25. Okay. Means Tuesday's temperature is minus 25. Wednesday's is 30 degrees, minus 30 degrees. Now Monday's temperature we will find. Okay. The Tuesday's temperature is minus 25. Monday's temperature what? Monday's temperature is minus, A we got minus 25 and D minus 5. Means minus 20. Monday's temperature is minus 20. Tuesday's minus 25. Wednesday's minus 30. Now Thursday's temperature. See, Thursday's temperature is A plus 2D. A plus 2D means minus 25 minus 10 means it is minus 35. Thursday's temperature is minus 35. Friday's temperature will be A plus 3D. Minus 25 minus 3 5s are 15 means it is 40 minus 40 degree. Okay, Friday's temperature is minus 40 degree. Now Saturday's temperature. Saturday's temperature is what? A plus 4D means minus 25 minus 5 4s are 20 means it is minus 45. Saturday's temperature will be minus 45 degree Celsius. Okay, degree Celsius. So this Monday to Saturday's temperature. See, Monday's minus 20 degree, Tuesday's minus 25 degree, and Wednesday's minus 30 degree, Thursday's minus 35 degree, and Friday's minus 40 degree, and Saturday's minus 45 degree temperature. Okay, now last one, that is very easy. Okay, so see, sixth question. Now sixth question is, on the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. How is the land? Triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are 2 trees, in the third row 3 trees, and so on. Find the total number of trees in 25 rows. Means number of rows is how many? 25. Now first day what? First day 1 tree, second day 2, third day 3, and so on. Okay, and see what they say. Planted in how? Triangular way. Now first day 1 tree, second day 2 trees, okay, and third day like this, in a triangular manner they have planted the tree, first, second, third, and so on. So what you have to find out? Now here C, means here A is what? 1, and difference D will be what? T2 minus T1 means 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. Now next what they have said, that find the total number of trees in 25 rows. Means what you have to find, sum of 25 rows we have to find out. Means S. Total means always remember sum of 25 rows we have to find out. Yes, we got all the terms now. See, S25 is equal to what? Means Sn formula first write, Sn upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This S25 is equal to 25 upon 2, 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into 1. Now see this calculation how easy it is. 25 upon 2 into 2 plus 24. Okay, so 25 upon 2 into 26 means 2 ones are and 2 12 twos are 26. Okay, so therefore S25 is equal to 25 into 12. How many trees? Okay, so S25 is equal to 3 sorry, here 12 no. How many? 6 na, 2 ones and 2 threes are. So it is 13. Okay, so it will be 13 5s are 65, 6. So 325. Okay, 325. So total number of trees, how many planted in 20 sum of 25 rows will be equal to how much? 325. So 325 trees were planted. Therefore 325 trees were planted in 25 rows. Okay, these all 6 examples we have completed now. I have covered all 6 examples of practice set 3.4. Okay, so thank you for watching and do little practice of solving the examples. Thank you.